Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a close and in-depth look at one of the most anticipated midsize trucks of 2026, the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in a clean and bold white color. This truck has always been known for durability, off-road dominance, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, and the 2026 model takes everything up a notch with fresh styling, upgraded performance, and a more refined interior that still keeps the rugged identity alive. So let's dive in and see if this updated Tacoma TRD Pro is truly the new king of midsize trucks in the USA market. Starting from the exterior, the white finish gives the truck a premium and aggressive presence, highlighting all the sharp lines and muscular curves Toyota has sculpted into this latest generation. The front side instantly demands attention with its massive heritage-style Toyota grille, redesigned LED headlights with slimmer, more modern accents, and a high-clearance front bumper that improves approach angles during off-road adventures. The hood sits tall and wide with an integrated hood scoop that not only looks tough but enhances airflow. Moving toward the sides, you notice the lifted suspension thanks to the TRD Pro's Fox shocks, beefy all-terrain tires, blacked-out fender flares, and TRD Pro branding stamped proudly. The rear shows off new LED taillights, a stronger tailgate design, an aggressive bumper, and the dual exhaust setup that gives this truck its signature roar. The white color really brings contrast to all the black TRD accents, making it look both stylish and adventure-ready. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro takes a big leap forward in comfort, technology, and build quality. The moment you step in, you're greeted with soft-touch materials, red stitching, TRD Pro embossed seats, and a cockpit that feels more premium than ever. The large touchscreen display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the digital driver display gives you all your information clearly whether you're on the highway or deep in the trails. The seating position is higher and more adjustable now, offering better visibility and more comfort for long drives. The cabin is also wider, giving rear passengers more legroom than older Tacoma models. Climate control, upgraded sound system, wireless charging pad, and extra storage spaces make the truck practical for daily use while still keeping its rugged appeal. Toyota also packed in their latest safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and off-road terrain monitoring. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro delivers serious capability. Powered by the new iForce Max hybrid powertrain, it combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with an electric motor to produce strong torque, responsive acceleration, and improved fuel efficiency. Whether you're towing, hauling, or rock crawling, the power delivery feels smooth and confident. The TRD-tuned suspension and advanced off-road modes like crawl control and multi-terrain select make this truck unstoppable on challenging trails. The steering feels more refined, and the braking performance has been improved for better control. This truck isn't just powerful, it's smarter and more adaptable to different terrains than ever before. Talking about prices, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro sits on the higher end of the midsize truck segment, but it justifies the price with capability, hybrid performance, and Toyota's unmatched reliability. In the USA market, it is expected to start in the upper price range compared to competitors like the Ranger Raptor and Chevy Colorado ZR2, but buyers are paying for long-term value, off-road engineering, and a truck that holds its resale extremely well. If you're someone who loves adventure, off-roading, or simply wants a strong midsize pickup with modern tech and hybrid performance, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro is a solid choice. My suggestion is to consider the TRD Pro if you need true off-road capability right from the factory. If you're more focused on daily city driving, you may want to look at the lower trims to save money, but for enthusiasts, this TRD Pro is worth every dollar. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in white. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews. See you in the next one.